Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an Opodo account. So first we're going to go to our app. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store. So next we're going to click on See Privacy Settings and click on Agree and Close. Then click on Continue. So here you're going to click on Create Account since it's our first time using it. Then next we're going to insert our email address. You guys could also sign up using your Apple account or your Google account. Then they could send you a login link or you can create your own password. I chose to create my own password. Then next you're going to verify it by going to our email. So this is how we create the Opodo account. It's an easy step. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.